Today we are making microwave Mexican hot chocolate brownie bars with a glossy Cajeta swirl. This recipe takes about 40 minutes from start to finish and serves 12. Let us get started. Here's the ingredient list for this one. 1/2 cup unsalted butter. This brings richness and that classic fudgy texture. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. It sweetens and helps create a shiny top. 2 large eggs. They bind the batter and keep it fudgy. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. It deepens the chocolate flavor. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. Just enough structure without losing that dense bite. 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. This delivers intense chocolate flavor. 1/2 teaspoon fine salt. It balances the sweetness. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Classic Mexican hot chocolate aroma. 1/4 teaspoon ground chili powder or cayenne. Just a gentle heat. 1/3 cup Cajeta. This Mexican goat milk caramel makes a luscious swirl. 1/3 cup chopped pecans. They add crunch and a toasty note. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Line a microwave-safe 8-inch square glass dish with parchment paper, leaving 2 long handles so you can lift the brownies out later. In a large microwave-safe bowl, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter on high for 40 to 60 seconds, until mostly melted. Stir until completely smooth. Whisk in 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder until the mixture looks dark, glossy, and fully combined. Add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and whisk until the batter is thick and the sugar is slightly dissolved. Whisk in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the batter looks shiny and smooth. Add 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon fine salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon ground chili powder. Fold gently just until no dry streaks remain. Fold in 1/3 cup of chopped pecans until evenly distributed. Scrape the batter into the parchment-lined dish and smooth the top evenly from corner to corner. Warm 1/3 cup of Cajeta in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds to loosen. Spoon it over the batter in small dollops, then swirl with a knife for a marbled top. Microwave the dish at 70% power for 3 minutes. Rotate the dish and microwave again at 70% power for 2 to 3 minutes, until the edges look set and the center is slightly moist. Let the brownies rest in the dish for 10 minutes so they finish setting. Refrigerate the dish for 15 minutes to firm up for cleaner cuts. Use the parchment handles to lift the brownie slab out and place it on a cutting board. Cut into 12 bars with a sharp knife, wiping the blade between cuts so the edges stay clean. Serve the microwave Cajeta swirl brownie bars slightly warm or at room temperature. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved these microwave Cajeta swirl brownie bars, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss the next video.